So to give you guys quick an update, I did some little welding today. I had some spare time, so I'll just give you guys an idea what I'm gonna do. Also, you will notice there's 3 cuts in my steel. Somehow I mismeasured it. I'm not sure how it happened, but probably because I'm getting old, I'm not sure. But I did weld supports as well. I'm a little bit afraid of the wind, so let's get a close up. As you can see, I had to cut and add a piece inside just to make it center. So yeah, I also make mistakes. Right, so then I added this piece. This is for the linear actuator, so it will bolt in here, and this will do the support. So let me try to assemble it so we can have an idea what it's going to look like, and yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. Okay, so this is how it looks so far. This is just standing on Mercy itself. So, well, I'll just adjust this top to be exactly level when it's completely pulled back. Let me try to add the top piece, and then we'll do another video just to give you guys a look. So let me just step back a little bit. Alright, so let me try to assemble the top piece. Not sure how I'm gonna do it, but let me try. Alright guys, after a lot of struggle I managed to assemble it. So I tagged that, so that's what I'm looking for. The arms are connected. So yeah, that's how it looks at the moment. Hi guys, so just an update. What I've done is I made this part and I drilled a hole through some old bearings of old sprockets that I had. So this will go here. I will fasten it, and then the chain will go straight to that. And what else I've done is I've just added this piece for the wind speed sensor. So I'm gonna paint it quickly, and then we'll try to assemble it. We'll put up the rails for the solar panels, and maybe I'll do a time lapse on that. Okay, cool. Alright guys, so let me get to it. Okay guys, so I've set it up, but I noticed I have to add some supports because it's a little bit dancing if I work with it. So let's quickly show you guys the design, how it's gonna work. I'm gonna put it back. It's now exactly level. Okay, not exactly, but close to level. And then let's pull this down. That. So yeah, so let me put up the panels and see how it's going. I really need to put up the panels because it's been staying outside for a couple of days and I'm afraid of getting stolen. It's not big panels, it's small panels. So you know, it's South Africa, and solar panels is like gold these days. It's worth more than gold actually, as of the current energy crisis. So yes. Alright, so I'll try to assemble it today, and then I'm gonna do some quickly paint touch-up work. I'm gonna box this down for added strength. So yeah, let me put up the panels. I'll do that on a time lapse, so just for you guys. Okay, so let's get to that. Alright guys, so I fitted the panels, the last top line, so this is how it looks. It's quite a heavy. First need to attach the wind sensor. But I'm going to connect all of the panels and just pick it up quickly. This is heavy. Well, not too heavy. Okay. Okay guys, so managed to install all the panels and tighten the linear actuator and installing the motor. So notice this weight needed to be added for the wind speed sensor. It's not balanced enough. Also, I would love to make it a little bit further. The cable is too short. I've wired on this gear motor. I think, as you guys can't get all of this, I think a wiper motor will do just fine. So yeah, for now that's next up is testing the controller box for which side is north and south and putting that on here. Alright, so let me get to it. Just give you a further view. Hi guys, so I've managed to switch on the controller. I had this 24 volt power supply. Don't look at the yellow wire. I use it for the DC side. The AC is connected with the earth. Alright, so let's see what we've got here. We've got that's for the signal for this eye on the top, the wind sensor. North south in and output, and west and east output, and then a GG east, west, south and north limit switch. We're probably going to use east and west limit switch, but now I need to figure out which side is what. So I've got a old grow light here connected here. So what I do is I'm going to put this light here and see which side needs to go where. So it says turning sunny in 5, 6, 7, I think it's 10 seconds. North. So if it's north, if I'm right, oh, too fast. Just need to figure out which side is where. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tilt it a little bit to the left, to me. Let's see what happens. So it says east voltage, or the west voltage is more. So the sun is more on the west side now. So it should be turning west. Yeah, okay. So when I turn it back, now the solar panels is turning that side. Then it should stop. Okay, so now we need to figure out which side is north. Okay, I tilt it up a little bit. see what happens. South. East south. Okay, we're done. Okay, south. So the linear actuator needs to pull down, so you need to go like this. Okay, so I've got it. Right. North, the linear actuator needs to push, and south it needs to pull. In west and south, it speaks for themselves. Alright, so just need to figure it out. I'm gonna put this limit switches for the west and south, but I'll do some more testing, and then I know you can program it to return to a position in night. So, but I'll show you guys how I do it. So, okay, cool. Let me do that.